Welcome to Liberty Talk Canada. I'm Odessa Orlowitz. Today is going to be an audio only show. It's June 28th, and I thought people might want to know about this International Bird Flu Summit happening fairly soon, October 2nd and 3rd and 4th in Washington, D.C. Thank you to the gentleman that sent this to me. Healthcare worker was given this invite, and they are doing a bird flu summit and it looks like an Event 201 to me. Mass fatality management planning and much, much more. Fatality management, morgue operations. There's a place where they talk about how they're going to deal with uprisings of human beings. Okay, let's just take a look around at this summit. Develop and maintain plans, procedures, programs, and systems. Develop and implement training and exercise programs. Direct fatality management, tactical operations. Activate fatality management operations. Conduct morgue operations. There's ways that you can pay for this. I looked around and it looks like it's a pay to play with some of the things that they said. The next part is continuity of operations and continuity of government planning. Strategies for operating with 50% or more absenteeism, dealing with successive waves of pandemic outbreaks, mitigating disruptions to essential functions of public and private sectors, implementing essential service continuity plans, ensuring continuity of government functions. They do get to the vaccines. Business continuity planning, resource allocation for employee and customer protection, insurance coverage for business risks during a pandemic, ensuring safe travel policies, decision making for reducing or closing operations, implementing remote work policies and flexible schedules, emergency management services, prioritizing antivirals and personal protective equipment for essential workforce, overcoming reduced response capacity and staffing issues, protecting emergency response operations centers, managing supply chain interruptions and establishing stockpiles, handling panic, and maintaining public order. I don't think the panic is going to be that people are freaking out that they're going to, pass away from this thing. I think what they mean is handling mass uprisings when people are in shock that they're actually trying to pull this off again. This to me literally looks like an Event 201. There are others that are happening. This is not the only summit. I'm told there's others. I was given a link to another one, but we're just going to concentrate on this one. What's interesting about this is I'm having Dr. Jessica Rose on my show tomorrow. Great timing. And just like Dr. Meryl Nass, who's done an article about it, Dr. Jessica Rose is showing the fatality rate of taking this new and not so wonderful vaccine that is supposedly for a human bird flu. I'm not sure if everyone here knows yet. They've just started testing and giving out the bird flu vax to Finland. Even though there are just no fatalities there, as far as I've heard, they are giving this vaccine. I don't think it's being mandated yet, but they're giving it to farm workers and farm hands. I don't know who's signed up to take it, but apparently they're doing it in Finland. So here they are starting to vaccinate people, but they're planning in October for a bird flu, looks like something as bad as COVID, meaning the handling of it, what they plan to do is similar to COVID. They're literally talking about morgue overrun. Law enforcement agencies ensuring law enforcement personal health and safety, safeguarding vaccine and essential goods delivery, managing surge in crime during pandemic, controlling social unrest and public disorder. No more convoys, hey? Are they discussing what they're going to do about that? Implementing isolation measures in correctional facilities.